Hello friends, myself Yadnesh. Today I will tell you how you can download programming language handwritten notes for free. So let's get started. For downloading the handwritten notes, firstly open your Telegram. I am opening here my Telegram. After opening the Telegram, click on search bar and search for curious coder. Curious underscore coder. So here you will get the Telegram channel we want. Just click on it. The link of this Telegram channel is available in description, so you can check it from there. After opening the Telegram channel, just swipe up. You will see the different nodes for the different languages. This is the SQL handwritten nodes. This is the SQL views nodes. By clicking on pin message, here you will see the C++ handwritten nodes, C handwritten nodes. Here are the Python handwritten nodes. Here is the SQL nodes. For downloading, then just click on download and this will be downloaded. So the notes are very easy. You can easily learn the concept from these notes. For handwritten notes, just go down here. Here is a Python handwritten note. Just click on download. Just click on these notes, and here are the Python notes. Thank you so much for watching the video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for the more videos like this.